Gina. In today's video I'm going to share with you my chocolate cupcake recipe. Now if you're like me and you like piping buttercream flowers, you will like a nice flat even surface like this. So during the video I'm going to actually let you know how I achieve that. So if you like my content, please like, comment, subscribe and hit that little weird notification bell at the top. Anyways, let's get started. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make roughly about 15 nice chocolate cupcakes. So first of all we need 170 grams of self-raising flour, 55 grams of cocoa powder, 225 grams of caster sugar, 225 grams of baking spread. I use Stork here in the UK, half a teaspoon of baking powder and 4 eggs. So what we do first is we take the bowl on our mixer and into that we're going to place the 170 grams just make sure it's all in. 170 grams of self-raising flour. Then we're going to place in our 55 grams of cocoa powder, like so. Just tip it all in. Just good with fingers, but they are clean. And then we're going to put in our 225 grams of caster sugar. And our half a teaspoon of baking powder. And what we're going to do before we put anything else in there, we're actually going to give that a mix round. So we want it all evenly mixed together, like so. So it's all nicely combined together. So the chocolate powder is mixed in with the flour, baking powder and the caster sugar, like so. Now into that we're actually going to put our baking spread. So that's 225 grams. This is an all-in-one method. And then we're going to crack into our 4 eggs. I'm just going to get my little timer. I always use one of these because I time the amount of mixing. So we're going to set that now on 1 minute. So you need the paddle attachment on your mixer. Just put that down. I'm going to turn my mixer around so you can see. Right, now I'm going to start off pulsing first so the flour doesn't go everywhere. So I'm going to start pulsing just to get it going. Now what I'm going to do is actually set the timer. start that off, and we're actually going to mix that on 4 and 6 for 1 minute. As you can see, I've got my timer going. Okay, so that's now finished. And you can hear my timer's just gone off. It's quite quiet actually. Can you stop that? Right, we're going to take our, we're going to get into our take our paddle, spatula and just scrape down the all the chocolate off there. I'll take that off and just pop that into that bowl. Right. So what we're going to do now is give that a quick mix with the spatula, just to make sure everything from the bottom is actually mixed in. There we go, so we've got a nice smooth mixture. Now, previous to obviously making your cakes, your cupcakes, have your oven set at 160 to 170 degrees, and that's a fan oven. Mine's a fan oven. I normally have mine set at 165, and I actually bake them 32 minutes. Now, everybody's ovens are different, so if you could bake them too high, you will have a quick rise and they will crack. So start off, I'd say, with 160. Check them after 20 minutes or 24 minutes. If they're still not done, leave them in for another 5 minutes and so on. But like I said, my fan oven is set at 165. That's normally 325 Celsius. Right, now to get nice flat cupcakes, what I do is I've got my baking tins lined. So I get 2 spoons now. I switch on my scales, as you can see. So we set the tare on it. There we go. Now I normally measure, oh, I was just going to jump back. Sorry about that, guy. Oops, it's very sensitive. Right, so what I normally do is I weigh out 57 grams in each case. That's 58, 57, 58. So there we go, 57. So we do this with all of them. We weigh out 57 grams, so we get a nice flat cupcake. There we go. This is going to take me a little while, so I'll come back to you in a minute. So there you go, guys. I've actually managed to fill 15, which you will get 15 cupcakes out of this recipe. If you cannot actually double this recipe, So then you'll get your 30 or even treble it. So it depends how big your oven is actually to bake them. But yeah, so there they all are. And I'm going to pop these in my oven. So as you can see, my oven is actually set just between 160 and 170. So we're going to put this top one in the top. There you go. And that one at the bottom. There you go. And I'm going to bake mine for 32 minutes. So I'm going to have a little clear around now, and I'll come back to you when they come out. Right, so these are now done. So I'm going to take them out of the oven because 32 minutes have gone. I'll just get a towel. Turn that off. And then we have our cupcakes. And what we've got to do is take these out of the tray straight away. You don't leave them in the tray, and get them onto a cooling rack to cool down. Oh, quite hot. Let's just move them over onto the cooling rack. At the moment, they look like they've got little domes on them, but they will actually sink down. And get our ones. As you can see, and there we have 15 delicious cupcakes, chocolate ones. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content and want to see more recipes or see me piping flowers, please like my page, leave a comment, subscribe, and also there's like a little weird bell in the top. If you hit that, then you'll be notified every time I upload content. Thank you for watching.